How to fix Cash App sponsor request limit reached. So if you want to fix the Cash App sponsor request limit reached, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. So I'll be here with my Chrome browser. Once you're under the browser, now you just need to simply go with the new tab and you need to go with search. Go and search for Cash App support. And once you're under that, now here you will have the Cash App support, which is cash.app and help. So tap on it. And after that, you might need to log into your account. So go and log in and it will take you to the support page where you'll be able to report something. So what you need to do is simply report like, hi, recently I've been encountering a problem with the Cash App sponsor request. Basically, it appears that I've reached the sponsor request limit, and I believe this may have been the result of a genuine mistake on my part. But I assure you that it was not my intention to exceed the sponsor request limit, and I'm committed to not repeat such mistakes moving forward. So please help me in resolving the sponsor request limit issue on my account. And once you've written that, you can send that to the support page. And once you've done that, your problem will be fixed. You might get some mail or some help from the Cash App support. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.